Hi guys, I'm Ivan. So here's my taser circuit and here's the battery eliminator. So I'm gonna power it. The switch is already on. So yep, negative to this pin in here. This is actually a battery. I just removed this connector in here so that I can use them for use them as stiff battery LEDs, battery clips. Sorry. And so this is the negative. The battery goes in like this. So these are dead batteries, and this is the negative connection. So the negative in here, and this is the positive connection. It goes in there. So positive in here. So you must get it to work. Well, why doesn't it work? I have not switched on. So yeah, the sound is on. You can see a small spark. Yeah, let me switch it off. You see that? That's the spark. There's just a small short circuit in there. So yeah, I'm gonna keep a metal conductor in here. You can see what happens. So this is gonna be the metal conductor I'm gonna use. So can you see a spark there? So that is 2000 volts. You may get yourself zapped. I'm not responsible if you shock anyone, your enemy or friend or friend's enemy or enemy's friend or whoever it may be. So this is the basic circuit. So here's the transformer, and this is the driver circuit which produces a alternating voltage or a DC pulse. I don't know what this is. So the modification I've done is that I soldered it like reverse engineering, quite so much of reverse engineering, or quite not much of reverse engineering. I've just desoldered a capacitor to resistors and a jumper, and I put it back there so that I can conserve more space. And here's I guess that's a Marx generator circuit, and the transformer. This powers from about 3 to 4 volts to 2000 volts. So I'm gonna be powering with the 9-volt battery. And the things I've removed is that this charging circuit for the rechargeable battery, and there was many capacitors, transistors, and the resistors and things like that. And there were also some diodes. I've taken them, salvaged, and here I salvaged a capacitor in here. I really didn't want that there. So yeah, capacitance gives a spark, like a tick tick sound, but this gives a constant electric passage. So that's why I removed the capacitor. I actually want this non-varying voltage, so that's why I did that. So this is the basic taser circuit. Thanks for watching.